Welcome to Autoland, your ultimate destination for the most powerful machines, raw performance, and next-level engineering. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the machines that move the world. The CAT 6NZ engine is back in 2026, and it's making a bold statement in the world of heavy-duty diesel engines. For diesel enthusiasts, truckers, and power lovers, the CAT 6NZ has always been a legendary name. And now, Caterpillar has revived and refined this beast for the modern era, keeping the old-school power alive while adapting it to today's demands. Let's dive into what makes the CAT 6NZ 2026 one of the most iconic comebacks in diesel engine history. First off, the 6NZ is known for being part of the last generation of true mechanical-style Caterpillar engines. It's famous for its durability, simplicity, and ability to handle serious horsepower upgrades without breaking a sweat. In 2026, Caterpillar decided to keep that same DNA but with some smart tweaks. The base of the engine remains a 14.6-liter inline-six powerhouse, built tough with high-grade cast-iron blocks and heads, and known for tolerating well over 600 horsepower with ease. What's new in the 2026 edition is the refined internal balancing, enhanced fuel mapping for better fuel-air combustion, and upgraded turbo efficiency. The CAT 6NZ was always a torque monster, and in the 2026 version, it delivers up to 2,050 lb-ft of torque, depending on the configuration. The beauty of the 6NZ lies in its tunability. In fact, Caterpillar understands the aftermarket love for this engine, so this time they've built it with that in mind. From factory, the engine comes with high-performance-ready internals, forged pistons, steel crankshaft, and reinforced cam bearings, so truckers and tuners can safely run upgraded turbos or injectors without worry. Despite being a high-performance engine, the 2026 version of the CAT 6NZ also pays attention to emissions without sacrificing its raw power. Caterpillar has integrated a simplified EGR system and improved combustion efficiency, allowing it to meet Tier 3 emissions in non-road and specialized applications without needing a full-blown DPF or DEF system. That's a huge win for those who love the old-school feel but want a cleaner burn. The sound, pure diesel music. The CAT 6NZ is known for that low, aggressive rumble that no modern engine can quite replicate. In 2026, with improved turbo tuning and exhaust refinement, the sound has only gotten deeper and meaner. Whether it's idling at a truck stop or pulling hard up a hill, it makes its presence known. And when it comes to maintenance, the 6NZ still holds its reputation for reliability and ease of service. With no complex electronics or sensors, it's still a mechanic's dream. Caterpillar has even included a new diagnostic app that pairs with optional add-ons, giving you performance data without locking the engine into modern ECU constraints. Truckers have already started swapping this engine into older rigs like the Kenworth W900, Peterbilt 379, and even some modern glider kits. And let's be honest, there's something about a red or yellow CAT 6NZ sitting inside a classic long-nosed truck with chrome stacks and polished tanks that just hits different. The 2026 CAT 6NZ isn't just an engine. It's a statement. It tells the world that you don't need the most complex tech to get the job done. All you need is raw torque, tough parts, and a name that has earned respect in every part of the trucking world. Whether you're hauling long distance or just want the best motor under your hood, the CAT 6NZ proves once again why it's a legend. At Autoland, we're not just talking about machines, we're living them. If you love the roar of diesel, the feel of raw torque, and the beauty of bulletproof engines like the CAT 6NZ 2026, then this is the place for you. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you're a CAT lover or if you've had experience with the 6NZ. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Autoland, where engines come alive. See you in the next video.